everybody. Today in our lesson we will be discussing reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that ends in self or selves. The definition of a reflexive pronoun is actually whenever the pronoun refers back to the subject of the sentence. Some students have asked me what makes a pronoun reflexive, and so I'm going to go through those steps right now to kind of let you know how to figure out if there is a reflexive pronoun. The first thing you want to do is probably look to see if it ends with self or selves. Now, that is a singular versus plural. And then if you have a self or selves pronoun, it could be reflexive or it could be what you call intensive, which will be shown on another video. So we're going to focus on reflexive today. We need to find out if there is a word that ends in self or selves and it is a pronoun. Step 2 would be to find out if that self or selves word jumps back and renames the subject of the sentence. Next, I want to show you a few sentences that will help you be able to see what I'm talking about. So in the next few sentences, I want you to look at the self or selves word and how it always jumps back to rename the subject of the sentence. I have marked that with an arrow for you. I have also labeled it as reflexive pronoun. So hopefully in those sentences you were able to see that a reflexive pronoun will never jump forward to rename a word. It will always jump backward in the sentence to rename the subject. Okay? The other step was that it had to be a self or selves word, right? Now here's probably one of the more difficult parts of reflexive pronoun. It would be a step 3. Now step 3 would be that you need to figure out whenever you take out the self or selves word, does the sentence still make sense? If the pronoun that you use, self or selves, cannot be taken out of the sentence and it still remains pretty much with the same meaning, then it actually is going to be a reflexive pronoun. Okay, so reflexives cannot be taken out of the sentence, right? Okay, so step 1, let's review. Step 1, you must find out if the pronoun ends with self or selves. In that case, it could be intensive or reflexive. Step 2, you need to figure out if it is renaming the subject of the sentence. And remember, that always jumps back. Okay? If it does, it is still a possibility that it could be intensive or reflexive. Step 3, if the pronoun cannot be taken out of the sentence, it is reflexive. If it can be taken out of the sentence, it's intensive.